I wasn't aware we had company. We rarely get visitors down here. I know you're in here. There's no need to hide. I'm here to help. I hear you breathing. I can see you're not well. The sickness has taken hold of you. Fear not, I'm not trying to harm you. I sense the disease in you. Ring-a-ring-a-rosies, a pocket full of posies, a tissue, we all fall down. Oh my, yet another victim of the disease. You are not a doctor. I am the cure. Do not be afraid. I am the cure. There you are. Hello. Greetings. Stop resisting. I'm here to cure you. Let's get this strange garment out of the way. Good heavens. It's worse than I thought. Like wildfire, it spreads. They should have brought me here sooner. I need to get to work before the disease consumes the rest of these poor souls. It will hurt less if you lie still. I can assure you, my cure is most effective.